Hi, this is Boni here. Visit Luxembourg with me. Travelers love exploring the unique blend of historic fortresses, lush landscapes, and cosmopolitan elegance, all found in close proximity. Dive into UNESCO World Heritage in Luxembourg City and tour the country's five unique regions. Hikes and bikes, trails, or simply relaxing in the nature. Travelers can enjoy free public transportation nationwide. The country is very safe and the currency is euros. English is commonly used and understood, particularly in the capital. Hi, good morning. This is Boni here in Luxembourg now. Today is 18th September 2023. It's morning 9:15 now. I'm taking this video. I've taken a lot of videos and the photographs of Luxembourg and shared with you all. I hope you have enjoyed all. But each time I love to take from different angles and different situations, different sky color. So please enjoy my videos from Luxembourg. Visit Luxembourg with me. It's Boni here.